I'm about to play Smash. Trying to get some cash. I'm gonna eat a rash. Hey, it's Rash Balash.
Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy, Rash Balash, back at it again with another video, and this time we're attacking the 4 Nugget Happy Meal food challenge again. Professor Parkour 1 beat my time. Anyways, he got a 1 minute and 14 seconds, so he beat my time by 3 seconds. So now Professor Parkour 1 is in the lead with 1 minute and 14 seconds, then me second with 1 minute and 17 seconds, and Dr. Brun Puchta at 1 minute and 20 seconds. So let's see if I can now crush his time, Professor Parkour 1's time, which obviously I will. I mean, I know you guys are all rooting for me, so all you viewers out there, I know you all are watching. So let's get this baby set up. All right, let's see what we got, and then I'll do a reveal of my toy at the end. So I got the apple slices, this small little fries, so small, and then the 4 chicken McNuggets. All right, so I'm gonna get this thing set up. Oh, and obviously the Coke. Funny story about this Coke, actually. I threw out the cap when I was at the store, so I may have spilled a little bit, and I also had to cover it with like the Bounty. Anyways, doesn't matter. Alright, we got 4 nuggets, 4 apple slices, and this tiny little fries. Let's see how we can do. I should get, I'll be right back. Alright. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Anyways, I may have lost this round, but if one of you want this minion ball with a toy inside, comment down below and I'll ship it out to you. That's right, because I feel like my viewers are so loyal to me and they believe in me, and I know that they know that I know that I'll win. Alright, so definitely like, subscribe, comment down below so I'll ship this out to you. This limited edition exclusive toy that is definitely not from McDonald's, okay? This is just one of a kind, okay? It's not mass produced at all, okay? And I'll even sign it, okay? I'll even put my signature down on the bottom just for you, because I know that my viewers are so, again, loyal, and they care so much about me, and they believe in me, and they know that I'm gonna win, okay?
I'm about to play Smash. Trying to get some cash. I'm gonna eat a rash. Hey, it's Rash Balash.